Yodi ho ho ho, what's going on everybody? This is Hunter. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. And I'll tell you what, I am down here at the Motorcoach Store in Bradenton, Florida. This is day number 3 and I'm starting to feel like I belong in this life of luxury. And out of all of the units that I have shot, I think that this might actually be my favorite. And when I'm walking through this thing, all I can think about is that that one super hot chick that no one seems to really enjoy, that married the like the King of France or Prince of France, Prince of England, and then, you know, had him like dethrone himself and move to America. I feel like those folks would absolutely love this. This thing is like fit for like old school royalty. I just feel like a prince and princess would like this thing. I mean, one, the paint job is incredible, but we are looking at a 2003 Prevost Liberty H3-45. It's got about 162,000 miles on this thing, and it's going up for a sale price of $355,555, and you can feel every single dollar of this when you walk in. This is one of the coolest RVs that I have ever seen. It's just got such an old school kind of vibe. So we're gonna jump right on into it. I just wanted to show off that paint job because I think it's incredible. For a 2003, I've been in a lot of RVs in my career, and this is probably one of the best kept units that I have ever seen. I mean, the paint looks brand new. Now they do have a detail shop here. They might have fixed up a couple things. I'm not too sure. That would be a conversation for them, but I'll put their information down in the description along with you know, all the specifications and stuff that I can find off their website. This is going to be the cockpit. We're going to ignore this here for a second, but like even this, come on now, tell me that Megan chick would not like it, but she ain't got nothing on Babe. I mean, Babe would love, I mean, I could see my wife being in here and we could crush. So my wife does improv comedy, and I could see me and her doing like a king and queen kind of skit in here. I mean, look at the ceiling. I mean, come on. But this is, this thing is like a piece of artwork. I mean, look at that. You got a wood flower. No doubt that was hand carved and hand painted, just because that is what it looks like. I would be really interested to hear the background story of the person that formerly owned this. So it's a really interesting work, and I like how they added things like, you know, like the orchids. Like, are those even real? I don't even know. They're not real, but they look super real. Reminds me of something that you get from Home Goods that's like an absolute steal. Now, as you flip it around here, I mean, it is artwork all the way throughout. I love the flooring on this. The flooring just looks so nice. It's like a wood look tile to it. You got the recliner here. You know, you can move that any which direction, you know, that you please. But then look at like the cabinetry on it as well. The fine artisan, you know, kind of valances there, I guess you could say. And then the inlaid mirror up on the top just adds a nice little kind of classy look to it. What do you guys think here of the aesthetics? Would you guys like me to show, you know, more kind of the luxury, I wouldn't like to say age, because I think they did a great job. I think we can all agree. I mean, heck, even the carpet doesn't even look like it was hardly used. Would you guys like to see more of this style? Because I'm having a lot of fun, to be honest with you. I think it's a really cool, you know, thing to do. Man, that just felt sturdy when it comes up. I even like the silver kind of, what do you call that, a button? I don't know. You know, it's funny because I was saying that I feel like I belong. I was telling my wife, I was like, man, I could get used to these luxury RV tours. And then she texted me this morning and said, hey, when are you getting home? The boys want to grill out some hot dogs. And then I laughed and I said, well, yeah, you know, we're baseball parents. We're wrestling parents. We're going back to the country. I'm going to start up that fire in the backyard. I'm going to crack a cold can of apple juice and we're going to grill us up some hot dogs for dinner. Because that's the kind of folks we are. And, you know, that's okay. I love my life. I love my life. But I'll tell you right now, I could go camping in something like this. That is for sure. You got a really nice sink. And the sink is made out of the same material as the countertop. So that's pretty darn interesting. You got another place right over there. You got the high-rise faucet. Whoosh, 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 hitting those dishes from all angles. It would be a perfect place to put your hot dog water going down on in there. But man, you flip it around. I mean, it's all going to be solid surface. So, babe, if you're watching, I love you. But I like how the storage kind of blends in. It doesn't show up too much. You know, you have these things that kind of pop out and then, you know, hide the microwave, I guess would be the proper term for that. So I think that's pretty darn cool. You also get, you know, the convection or so. You got the low mix bake what you need there. If you want to do a little cooking, you got the 2-top burner to whip up all the fixings. You got a dishwasher. That's awesome. Wasn't expecting that right there. I also like how it's kind of got that carpet inlay, you know, into it. But you got plenty of drawer space. And then you even have a nice little wine rack right in there as well, which is pretty darn cool. You know, if you're someone that likes to drink a couple glasses of the old grape juice, you got the touch screen that's in there, so that'll be able to control like all your different lightings, you know, your TVs and whatnot. You got the living room, the bedroom. I'll show you that here in a second because it's got a bedroom lift. But yeah, this is going to be your breaker box. Got a really nice refrigerator too. I don't know what brand that is. Amana, maybe you do. If you guys have used it before, I'm sure everyone down in the comments would appreciate, you know, your review on that. But it looks like your basic refrigerator. I've only had this thing on for about 30 minutes and it is cold. I mean, heck, it's already got ice brewing up in there, and it's only been on for just a little. Oh, Harry. Harry's his name. Yeah. Harry and Megan. I feel like my wife watched one of her cooking shows one time. She actually seemed like she was all right. But whatever, I don't know. Harry and Megan would love it. All right, so we keep chugging along. Oh, this is something that I really like. So you notice how you have those mirrors right there. It's going to be directly across from your shower, which I actually kind of like that. I think that's pretty cool. But I mean, look at the hanging closet space that you get right here. You also got a couple different pull-out drawers down there below. And then when you flip it around, I'm not a big fan of the corner radius showers, but this one looks like I can actually get in okay. I'm 6 foot, you know, 320 pounds, and you can see I got about 6'4" for head height, maybe 6'3". And then as you go down, you got plenty of room. Heck, you can even, you know, sit down if you'd like, which is cool. But you got a roundy rating of 1. So that's all you're fitting. A flat rating of probably 1.2. If you're a pretty muscular flat, you'd be all right. And then you got the old Steamer Stink Sucker 3000 up there on the ceiling. Right here is going to be your it's going to be your bathroom, but look how freaking nice that is. I do wonder who had this before. I mean, it's even got a phone in there. Got yourself a little hobbit door for some of your storage. Put some jewelry in there, maybe some deodorants. Got the vanity lights. I love the sink. Everything about this just looks pretty darn nice. It's cool. I kind of wish they'd bring back these like personal details for RVs. I mean, they're obviously not this nice on the regular, but I remember back in the day, like Cedar Creek had like basically like hand beveled for the cabinetry, which is pretty cool. You got your washer and dryer right there. You're also going to see you got some racks for your towels. Bada bing, bada boom. Nice, like that. And I like how it's going to be angled. You also have the door. Let me do it on this side. I'm sure there's a control for it over there, but actually there definitely is. I don't know why I just said that. Pretty cool, right? Oh yeah. And what do you guys think about having a sink in the bedroom? Kind of different. Good place to brush your teeth though. Yeah, get up and get ready. Let's see if we can. There you go. So right here you're gonna have, let's see if I can find, you got a bed lift right here. I don't know where the one is for the TV, but we'll find that here in just a second. But you click that. See how it lifts your bed up? Now it's got a safe under there. I didn't want to lift it up too much because we got the pillows and stuff, and I don't know how that works exactly. But you even have like the valances kind of look like drapes right there, so I think that's pretty darn cool. You got your reading light, okay. And then let's see if we got the, that's your slide in and out. I don't know how to get the bed or the TV up. I'm not sure where that is. I'm sure it was on that panel, but it's okay. You guys can just trust me. There is a TV there. I love that. A little extra storage. You got some place for some dresser drawers. This is a DVD player, so that was bad timing for that comment. Oh, And that's going to be your access panel right there. So this is all around, a little bit rough here at the moment, but need 2 hands for that. That's okay. Oh, might as well keep risking it. Let's see what we got. There we go. So there you got the 2 pull-out drawers. And then you got the little Narnia-style closet right there, looking really nice with a couple more pull-out drawers there too as well. But yeah, like I said before, drop a comment. Let me know what you think. Would you guys like to see more of these? Or do you like sticking with the newer stuff? I'm going to be mixing in some luxury coaches here and there. Probably not doing a ton of them, but I did record about 10. So you're going to be seeing a lot of good stuff here coming out on the channel. But 2003 Prevost Liberty H3-45, 162,000 miles, 355,555 smackaroonies down here at the Motorcoach Store. So right here is going to be your controls. You got your air ride, which is nice. So as a bigger guy, getting in there a little bit more comfortable. But you got your Liberty coach. You can see you got your cameras and all that good stuff. You got your bows. And bada bing, bada boom, baby. We're out of here. I'm gonna need to disconnect that. I think it might still be attached to the person's phone. All right. We'll head around the outside. We'll get into some trouble opening some things up and see what they think. You got yourself a little doorbell right here. Oh, it's a little light, but you got yourself a doorbell right there, which is pretty darn cool. Keyless entry as well. This is going to be for your side mirrors there too. You can see the awnings coming out on the top, and you have all the recessed, windows right there. No slides over on this side, which is pretty darn nice, just to be able to get in and out of the campground. And unfortunately, the storage here is locked. So I'm just going to show you around on the outside, but there is a ton of storage. I'll try to get some pictures off their website and put those down in the description there for you. But pretty darn snazzy unit, guys. But all right, I'm gonna zip it, do a quick walk here, and then we're gonna get skedaddling on to the next. Man, that thing is beautiful though. All righty, have a great day. My name is Hunter. See you. Meow, 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 meow. Rum dum, ba da 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 dum, shum ba da ba da bum, rum ba da ba da bum, rum ba bum bum ba da ba da bum bum ba da ba da bum bum ba da ba da bum.